Welcome to apartment 20A, perched high above the city. This is in a highly sought-after luxury white glove condominium, 240 Riverside Boulevard, otherwise known as the Heritage. Having recently undergone a massive renovation, you will now find 2,900 square feet of luxury living wrapped in wall-to-wall windows with truly some of the best views I have ever seen. From the elegant corner living room, you will enjoy views of the Hudson River and Riverside Park. In the formal dining room, there are top-quality custom built-ins offering tons of storage, seating, and even 2 desks. Imagine starting your day in this fabulous kitchen, watching the boats going up and down the river with coffee made in your built-in coffee espresso machine. This flexible layout offers 3 spacious bedrooms and a library or 4th bedroom. And it also has a lovely home office. Each of the bedrooms also offers panoramic views facing north to the George Washington Bridge or east over the city. The library has 2 doors leading to the living room and again can also be used as a 4th bedroom. The luxury master suite with its custom built-in closets is also on a corner. The heavenly marble master bathroom has a double sink, separate stall shower and tub. There is an abundance of closets, 3 full bathrooms, and a washer and dryer. The Heritage is one of the most sought-after condominiums in the city, offering white glove service, a high-tech gym with 2 pools, screening room, party and playroom, storage bins, and on-site parking garage. There are doormen and a 24-hour concierge. You will just be 2 blocks away from the express subway and fabulous shops like Trader Joe's. So thank you so much for watching this video, but I do hope that you give me the opportunity to show it to you in person because it is super special. Thanks for watching.